Have you ever wondered how easy it would be to write those complex Excel formulas? A powerful AI tool is created to automate many of the tasks on Excel. This is a complete game changer. So stay with me till the end. This is a hidden power in Excel that could make your work not just easier, but mind-blowingly efficient. It lets you generate those complex Excel formulas by only a few words that you define to it. As artificial intelligence continues to develop, you might think that you would lose your job and the workplaces would be changed entirely. But there's a twist. In the job market, if there is a negative impact, then there is also an alternative positive impact. We might need people who should give the commands to the formula bot, which we will see in a minute. Go to your web browser. In the search bar, type this. If you have an account, click Login, or else click Get Started. Enter your email and your password. Also, don't forget to click Remember Me. These are some packages provided by them. If you understand, then you can purchase one. They can be helpful to you. We are going to click on Formulas. This is the official website, but we are going to use the extension that I downloaded earlier. I have created a demo Google Spreadsheet. Click on this icon. This is the extension. We are using Google Sheets. Let's enter the command. Bingo! This is the result. Now we are going to use it accordingly. Click it to fill automatically. And it's done. This is how you do it.